Hi, I'm Delana, your UDL resource teacher, and today's quick bite on Read and Write is on screen masking. In today's quick bite, I'd like to show you how to use the screen masking tool within Read and Write. To use screen masking, you would go to the Read and Write toolbar at the top of your screen and locate the icon that looks like a computer screen with a line through it. If you hover, it does say screen masking for you. This tool is really nice as far as being able to follow along or track visually where you're reading. I'm going to go ahead and click down on it. You can use this two-tone highlighting to highlight portions of the text in order for you to be able to track visually where you're reading. What's nice about this is when you turned on the feature, it created this little gadget over here on the side. If you click on the gear icon, it takes you directly to settings. In here, you could change the way your screen masking looks. This is wonderful because this is what makes the tool truly UDL, universally designed for anyone who's using it. Here, I could change the background color. For example, my favorite color is purple. I'm going to choose purple. Now you could see I have some choice in what it looks like. If I need two-tone coloring, I could come over here and select a reading light color as well. Perhaps I want to use orange. Now I could see the screen with two different highlight colors so I could follow along with my text. In the options, you could also change the background opacity. If I really need to focus on one area of text, I could grab my dot and pull it to 100% to block out everything else on my screen except what I need to be able to read. That could be really nice for beginning readers or those with ADD or ADHD. I could also come over here and I could do the flip side and I could totally block out the reading light opacity and turn that to 100%. When I do it this way, this becomes more like a paper that I use to underline the words so I could follow along where I'm reading. This way, I could keep visual track without skipping or omitting lines as I read along on the screen. Another option I have is I could come in here and I could actually say no color, and I could change the reading light height. So over here, this is going to change how big the reading light is. I could come and I could look at the background and line it up to about one sentence at a time. And here I could just highlight as I read along with the text. There's an additional option. If you have students with ADD, ADHD, dyslexia, or Irlen syndrome, they often need reading lights to reduce visual stress. So here where it says general reading light, I could go ahead and unclick this button and now it just becomes a solid one-tone color so I could reduce that visual stress on my screen and be able to focus. Some common color overlays for those with visual stress can be things like blue, pink, green, red, or yellow. It's really nice that students have the ability to come in here and choose whatever they need to support them in the classroom. I'm going to go ahead and reset to default, but I could go at the top here back to my little gadget and I could just click on the same icon with a computer screen and a line through it. And when I click on this, it turns the tool off. And now I'm back to my original screen. Thanks for watching. To learn more about UDL resources, click subscribe.